see what are the objectives of regional rural bank. By now we all understood why, or what is the main purpose of RRBs getting established in the system. So this is the first objective of regional rural bank is bridging the credit gaps in rural areas. That's what, as the most of the public sector banks and private sector banks were established in urban areas, they were not so established themselves as a bank where they can expand themselves in terms of more number of banks. So that's how somewhere the government felt, and they have established RRBs in order to bridge this gap, or to mitigate this gap between the rural area and urban areas in terms of financial assistance. Okay, moving ahead, we have a next point, to develop such measures which could restrict the outflow of rural deposits to urban. So even though in the rural areas, you see there are people who are able to save their money, or who are able to invest their money in terms of deposits. Okay, so generally, as we have more banks established in urban areas rather than the rural areas, there was a situation where the outflow of cash from the rural areas were moving into an urban areas, which was again utilized for the urban area developments. So somewhere, government wanted to restrict that flow into rural areas itself, so that they can utilize that money in terms of lending to the people who are actually in need in terms of financial assistance. So this is how another objective of rural bank, which wanted to restrict the outflow of deposits into an urban areas, so that they can restrict that to rural areas. Okay, so then moving ahead, to reduce regional imbalance and create rural employment generation activities. So so to start off with any business or any activities with this, to earn the money, even to purchase seeds, to purchase pesticides which is used in the cultivation, that has to be purchased, on the exchange of money. So everything was, the activities involved in agricultural activities, the funding was the necessary. So somewhere, government felt there is a huge imbalance in terms of urbanization and rural activities. So somewhere, it wanted to make and have an balance a system between urban and regional areas. And it also it had a concept of developing employment system, or say more and more employment areas for the rural people. Okay, this was another objective of rural banks. Moving ahead, we have regional rural banks are oriented towards meeting the needs of weaker sections of rural population, consisting of, it's not only based on the agriculture oriented people, they have a focus on small and marginal farmers, okay, and artisans, small entrepreneurs, and mobilize deposits from rural households. So yes, so these are the major areas where the rural, apart from the agricultural areas, so these were the banks were more focused towards all these weaker section of the community. Okay, and RRBs are expected to make credit available to rural households, besides inspiring carefulness, put it simple, to ensure sufficient institutional credit for agriculture and other rural sectors. The simple here is, they wanted to extract, or say mobilize, the deposits or the savings in the rural areas. Okay, so that is somewhere useful, that somewhere it helps government to create credit, or say sufficient credit for the people in the rural sectors. So this was okay, so this was all about the objectives of regional rural banks. So to make sure they bridge the gaps between rural areas and urban areas, to develop such measures where they can restrict the outflow from the rural to urban areas, and to reduce the imbalance in urban and rural areas, and also to create an employment perspectives in rural areas. And then we have, as a banks, they focus more on, not only on the focus is on the agricultural basis people, it also focuses on small entrepreneurs, artisans who are actually especially in need, whatever the purpose of, if you belongs to a weaker section, the bank is always ready to help you. Okay, so this was the point of view in terms of RRBs being established in the Indian banking system. Okay, this was all about RRBs, and these are just, there are almost 56 banks and existing functioning in India. Okay, so it has its own history. At the beginning, we have around, at the time of establishment, or say in 1990s, there were 190 RRBs existing in the system. But as I were mentioning, that the banks were functioning on the basis of not making profit out of the banking functions, but somewhere, that loss, or that loss concept of banks, government, the most of the banks, see, in the 1990s, out of 190 RRBs, there were 172 banks were in loss, because it was not able to meet the necessity, or say, the bank concept was, the RRB's concept is to work, or say, help the weaker section of community. You lend the money to them, but somewhere, the banks were not able to recover it. So there was some restrictions were ruled out during when bank were lending it to the weaker section. The first one is, there was no proper documentation was focused, and there was no security concepts were also ruled out. So when you don't have a proper set of documentations being, during lending the money, when you don't have a security to the money what you have lent to the weaker sections, so it's obvious that bank would face certain consequences in terms of receiving that money back. So somewhere we had all, so by the 1990s we had more RRBs set up, so with 1,000 plus branches. See, 190 RRBs plus having 1,000 plus branches in India. So there are so many banks were working, but somewhere, government was not able to handle these banks, or say somewhere, they are into loss because of this functioning pattern. Okay, so that made them to merge few banks, and currently we have 56 banks, and I believe in 2018 they were still merged, and there are some 38 banks exist currently in India as overall functioning as RRBs. Okay, so that's how, the pattern made to reduce the number of RRBs in India by the government. So this is what is, say, overview of RRBs in Indian banking system. Okay, I hope I'm clear with the points. Okay.